So, what if I told you that your house could help cover some of your biggest expenses, like the kitchen repairs that you need or the medical bills from an emergency surgery? Using a HELOC for a major purchase might be the solution. Let me explain. Hi, I'm Kristen, and this is Elevate Your Equity with Achieve. Ever heard of a HELOC? It stands for Home Equity Line of Credit, and it's a revolving debt, kind of like a credit card that uses your house as collateral. You can use it for all sorts of major purchases like home repairs or remodels, medical procedures, weddings, even fertility treatments. When you're applying for a HELOC, a lender will look at two things: what your home is worth, or your home equity, and how much you still owe on your mortgage. So here's an example. Let's say your home is worth $500,000 and you've paid off most of your mortgage. Maybe you still owe $150,000. Depending on your lender, you could potentially borrow up to $250,000 using a HELOC. So you're probably thinking, why would I want to consider this kind of loan? Great question. A home equity line of credit often comes with a lower interest rate and monthly payment than other types of loans. So it's a really smart way to get cash to cover big expenses. Ready to see how a HELOC for a major purchase could help you achieve your financial goals? Learn more at achieve.com.